Are you tired of spending hours chopping, slicing, and kneading dough by hand? Do you dream of a kitchen appliance that simplifies meal prep while delivering professional quality results? Look no further than this Ninja Professional Plus food processor, 1000 peak watts. This powerhouse appliance is designed to revolutionize your cooking experience, combining cutting-edge technology, robust performance, and sleek design. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home chef aiming for restaurant-worthy dishes, this food processor is your ultimate kitchen companion. Let's dive into why the Ninja Professional Plus food processor is a must-have for every modern kitchen. Why choose the Ninja Professional Plus food processor? The Ninja Professional Plus food processor isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game-changer that tackles the toughest ingredients with ease, streamlines your prep work, and elevates your culinary creations. Powered by a 1000 peak watt motor, this appliance effortlessly chops, slices, purees, and mixes dough, saving you time and effort. Its Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of food prep with 4 intelligent preset programs, making it perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With a 9-cup capacity bowl, it's ideal for preparing large batches for family meals, entertaining, or weekly meal planning. This food processor stands out for its versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. From shredding cheese to kneading pizza dough, it handles a wide range of tasks with precision and ease. Plus, its dishwasher-safe parts and BPA-free materials make cleanup a breeze, while the sleek silver finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Let's explore the features, benefits, and real-world applications that make this appliance a top choice for home cooks. Key features of the Ninja Professional Plus food processor. 1000 peak watt motor. This powerful motor effortlessly processes tough ingredients like root vegetables, nuts, and dense doughs, ensuring smooth, consistent results every time. Auto IQ technology. For intelligent preset programs, chop, slice, puree, and dough, simplify food prep with one-touch control, delivering perfect results without the need for manual adjustments. 9-cup capacity bowl. Ideal for large families or meal preppers. The spacious bowl handles big batches, reducing the need for multiple rounds of processing. Precision stainless steel blades. Designed for optimal performance, these blades ensure even chopping, slicing, and pureeing, giving you professional-grade results at home. Specialized dough blade. Perfect for bakers. This blade mixes dough for bread, pizza, and pastries in seconds, saving you from tedious kneading. Dishwasher-safe parts. All removable components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Sleek, compact design. The silver stainless finish and compact footprint fit seamlessly into any kitchen, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability. Intuitive controls. Easy-to-use buttons and simple assembly make this food processor accessible for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced chefs. Built-in safety mechanisms. The processor only operates when properly assembled, providing peace of mind and preventing accidents during use. Versatile functionality. From chopping vegetables to pureeing soups and shredding cheese, this appliance handles a wide range of tasks with ease. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. The Ninja Professional Plus food processor isn't just about features. It's about how those features translate into real-world benefits that make your life easier and your meals tastier. Here are the top benefits of incorporating this food processor into your kitchen routine. Time-saving efficiency. The powerful motor and Auto IQ presets cut down prep time significantly, allowing you to chop, slice, and puree in seconds. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or prepping for a big gathering, this appliance streamlines the process. Professional quality results. The precision blades and intelligent programs deliver consistent, restaurant-worthy results. Whether you're making silky smooth hummus, perfectly sliced veggies, or fluffy dough. Versatility for every recipe. From savory soups to sweet pastries, this food processor handles it all, making it a one-stop solution for a variety of culinary tasks. Effortless cleanup. With dishwasher-safe parts, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Space-saving design. The compact footprint ensures it fits neatly on your countertop or in a cabinet, perfect for kitchens of all sizes. Who is the Ninja Professional Plus food processor perfect for? This food processor is designed for anyone who loves to cook but wants to simplify the prep process. It's ideal for busy parents. Streamline meal prep for family dinners with quick chopping and slicing, even for picky eaters. Meal prep enthusiasts. The 9-cup capacity is perfect for batch cooking healthy meals for the week. Home bakers. The dough blade makes baking bread, pizza, or pastries effortless, delivering professional results. Entertainers. Impress guests with perfectly prepared appetizers, dips, and desserts, all made in minutes. Novice cooks. The intuitive controls and auto IQ presets make it easy for beginners to achieve great results without a steep learning curve. Experienced chefs. The powerful motor and precision blades handle complex recipes with ease, giving pros the tools they need to shine. Solving common kitchen pain points. The Ninja Professional Plus food processor addresses common cooking frustrations head-on. Tired of unevenly chopped vegetables or spending ages kneading dough? The precision blades and dough blade ensure consistent results and effortless mixing. Struggling with time-consuming meal prep? The 1000 peak watt motor and large capacity bowl let you process big batches quickly. Worried about cleanup? The dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. This appliance takes the hassle out of food prep, letting you focus on the joy of cooking. Real-world applications. How it elevates your cooking. Imagine this. You're hosting a dinner party and need to whip up a creamy hummus dip, perfectly sliced veggies for a salad, and homemade pizza dough, all in under an hour. With the Ninja Professional Plus food processor, it's not just possible, it's effortless. The Auto IQ Chop program turns chickpeas into velvety hummus in seconds, while the slicing disc delivers uniform cucumber and carrot slices for a stunning salad. The dough blade kneads your pizza dough to perfection, ready to be topped and baked. This food processor transforms complex recipes into simple, stress-free tasks. Why it's worth the investment. Priced competitively for its features, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor offers incredible value. Its durability, versatility, and ease of use make it a long-term investment that pays off in time saved and culinary creativity unleashed. Compared to other food processors, the Ninja stands out for its powerful motor, intelligent presets, and large capacity, all at a price point that won't break the bank. Plus, the Ninja brand's decades-long reputation for innovation and quality ensures you're getting a reliable product that's built to last. Customer feedback. What users are saying. Home cooks rave about the Ninja Professional Plus food processor for its power and ease of use. One user shared, "This is the best kitchen appliance I've ever owned. It chops, slices, and purees like a dream, and the dough blade has made baking so much easier." Another praised its cleanup, saying, "I love that everything is dishwasher safe. It saves me so much time." While some note the motor can be loud, they agree that its speed and efficiency make it a minor trade-off for the stellar performance. A few considerations. While the Ninja Professional Plus food processor excels in most areas, it's worth noting that the motor can generate some noise, typical of high-powered appliances. However, its fast processing means the noise is short-lived. Some users wish for additional slicing discs for varied thicknesses, but the included blades cover most common tasks effectively. For those with limited counter space, the compact design is a plus, though it's still a substantial appliance for very small kitchens. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.